Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is what I use oftentimes to remove water-resistant sunscreen from the body. Before I get in the shower, I just take a few drops of this, lather it on like my legs, arms, wherever I have a film of water-resistant sunscreen. It just helps break it up more easily. It's the Neutrogena body oil. It has a little bit of emulsifier, so it rinses off the skin really easily. This is another good option, the Skin Calming Body Wash from Eucerin. Except if you try and use this on the face, it burns around the eyes. What? Dial has a fragrance-free body wash. Dial always used triclosan, and then that was banned because it's not great to be pumping that into the environment. What do they actually use now? Looks like just sodium lauryl sulfate and cocometyl propyl betaine as surfactants. Does it claim to be antimicrobial? No. But they're old school antimicrobial hand wash. Do you remember the orange one? Oh, when I was a kid, there was something that repulsed me about that smell. It would like nauseate me. I don't know what it was. Could not stand the smell of Dial hand soap. Anything new in the realm of sunscreen? Not seeing anything that looks unfamiliar to me. Oh, these I saw the other day, and they actually look promising because they are free of fragrance. For those of you who use Sunless Tanner, try these out. They seem pretty good. You just add a few drops to your moisturizer. I think they're intended for the face, but I bet you could use them on the body as well. If you can get over the Sunless Tanner odor, which it kind of smells like a Frito. Does anyone else think that? Comment below what you think Sunless Tanner smells like. I think everybody has their own opinion. Polish, pretty colors. I have this Hail Cherry on my toes currently, and I've really been pleased with the color pop. This Insta Dry is very gratifying. It, like the name implies, it dries really quickly. It dries pretty quickly, and it holds up for a quick dry nail polish. It doesn't chip that easily. Sally. I always thought that Sally Hansen and Sally Beauty Supply were like one and the same thing. And so I always called Sally Beauty Supply Sally Hansen's until somebody pointed out, I think it was in a recent video of mine, like, you know, it's just Sally's. And I know like the sign just says Sally's, but I always thought that Sally had the beauty supply and then a line of nail polishes, but apparently they're separate Sally's. Oh, not that I wear eyeshadow, but like when I used to play around with it, I always loved these. I call them paint by number, where it tells you, it's got numbers on it, and it's got this little key on the back. It tells you where to put which colors. That's what I need. Otherwise, I end up looking like something out of Jurassic Park. So, I don't know if you noticed, but I got a new Bay Leaf UPF pullover, and this, not only does it have, check out this swag, not only does it have the hand covers, but it has this little slit opening so you can check out your watch. I love it. I'm still rocking my Lintelec Step Tracker fitness watch. The time has come, my friends, for me to let go of my Dash waffle maker and ice cream maker that I have never used but keep holding on to. So I'm going to donate those. I bought this drawer organizer on the Amazonian for my, you ready for this? Disaster drawer. So I'm gonna organize this and declutter some stuff. better. Makes you feel good in your heart. Just one drawer at a time to declutter. And yeah, all that stuff is gonna be donated. Dash, my impulse, I'm gonna make cookies. Never made them again. Yeah. And no sense in having an extra one of these, and I never liked this one on anyway because that little metal ring always slides down. There's an extra can opener. I don't use canned goods that often, and I already have one perfectly well-functioning can opener. And I have a good pair of scissors, and these are not that great, so I need those. Same with these. So I just filmed a Dollar Tree Shop With Me video, and I came over here to Kohls, and they have some of the fall stuff out. I have to say, this is the first time in a few years that I am not like chomping at the bit for fall. Give me till mid-August. I may be more hungry for all things pumpkin and leaves at that point. But what I'm getting at is like this summer, at least compared to other years, has not been that miserably, oppressively hot. I don't know if I'm just getting acclimated or what. I've just enjoyed this summer, and I'm actually not ready for it to be over. Come on. Now, this, do we really need to buy this? I mean, honestly, they didn't even put any effort in this. This is just like silk flowers in a jar. You could easily buy that at Michael's, although honestly, let's face it, if you went into Michael's and bought the stuff to make that, you'd spend like 3 times as much. It's on sale now for, is it $10.49? Yeah, you'd spend a lot more at Michael's probably. You know, you would go into Michael's with a coupon and anything that you wanted would not be on discount with the coupon. To-do pads, these are nice. Tasks, errands, correspondence. Okay, Abe Lincoln. Correspondence. Creative lettering and beyond. That's nice. Oh, how cute. Mini office. Yes, please. That's adorable. It looks like sushi. Like little caviar beads, but they're push pins. Love it. Kind of liking what they're doing with the exterior Midsummer's Night. So it's like men's cologne. Sonoma candle isn't too bad. Strength. Has a nice berry scent to it. These decorative pillows are cute. I like the colors. Aren't these sweet for fall? I'm not really into buying like seasonal pillows to throw around, but those are pretty cute. Little pumpkins. Family fall friends. Sun Zero Extreme Blackout. These are good for reducing your indoor UV exposure. Look at there. Yeah, I have blackout curtains in my bedroom. They definitely keep the light out because there's a little like nightlight type thing outside of my bedroom window that would drive me nuts if I didn't have the blackout curtains. Ew, I like this Texas artwork. That's nice. It's like a map of the state. I like that. Oh, that's adorable. Pumpkin. 30% off. That's not too bad actually for one of these. Usually can be pretty expensive. Hey guys, I just finished a workout and was doing some stretching there. I got these sports bras a while ago on the Amazonian. They're actually like a, I don't know, half crop top. They're like a crop top, but they have a built-in, they're like a built-in sports bra. I wear them underneath clothes. They're really comfortable and the material is really like smooth. I've been happy with these. I have this white one, I have one in black, and then one in like a kind of slate gray, of course. Anyways, I need to fold some laundry yet again. I did my whites. Does anyone else love the smell of clothes that have been through the bleach cycle, that have a little, that were cleaned in bleach, whites? You know what I mean? I just love that fresh, clean smell. Ain't nobody to pass me, I dress so fresh and so clean. Hey guys, got my white t-shirt time. This just came out of the wash. It's the 32 degree brand from Costco. I love these. They're really, as the name implies, cool. Like they breathe really easily. Anyways, the white ones are particularly divine, fresh out of the laundry. That clean bleach smell. What a day. I have to say, I filmed the Dollar Tree video, which you guys probably have already seen at this point if you were interested in watching it. 2 thumbs up to the Dollar Tree. They really stepped up their organization tidy game. I mean, it was really tidy in there, and the inventory was, I must have just hit it on a good day. I wanted to break out into Ice Cube. Anytime I say good day, I always want to break out into Ice Cube. Does anyone else have this thing that I seem to have where if I say certain words, it will trigger in my mind lyrics of songs, and I don't know, it's like fun to just sing them randomly. What I was getting at is I was pretty impressed with how tidy the Dollar Tree was and how well stocked they were. I think I hit it on a good day, but I always feel bad when I go in there because the employees have, I mean, there's always like maybe one employee, and there's always a crowd. It's generally, in my experience, I've always had a peaceful time in there though. Like there's something kind of zen about just perusing the DT, and nobody ever like bothers me or gives me a hard time in there. I mean, people don't really bother me anywhere. I have to say, in general, in Houston, people pretty much, you know, as long as you stay in your lane, quite literally on the highway, they are very live and let live. You used to say live and let live. You know you did, you know you did, you know you did. But in this ever-changing world in which we live in, let you give in and try. Live and let die. Talk about a band that I miss. I know Axel has had his struggles in life. Did he die? I'm really bad with keeping up with deceased celebrities. So I hate to, you know, question, did he die? It's not very respectful if he has died. If he has died, if he did die, that's pretty disrespectful. But anyways, I always enjoyed Guns N' Roses. Yeah, I always like think of little songs in my head. It worked out well for me when I had to, like for studying for exams and stuff, because I would come up with little like catchy tunes to remember things. For example, Beta 2, I don't like you, 'cause I'm norepinephrine. That's a physiology rhyme for you guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed this vlog. If you are still here, thumbs up to you. If you missed yesterday's vlog and you want to watch it, it will be on the next slide. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.